Okay, so you join me in the car. At the moment we are going to go and get a new set of tyres to put on our car because one of them got wore down and we had to put the spare on. So currently they are in the back of my car, and I don't know if you can see, but the tread has completely gone on this tyre up on the inside. So we're going to go and get that changed, and hopefully it doesn't cost us an arm and a leg. Right, putting on the tyre. Make sure everything's nice and flush. Lifting. Go. And then finger tight first. So making sure we're on. And just making sure that we're finding the thread.
Going finger tight first means that instead of using the wheel gun, you're not going to fry the thread, and that means it's not going to get stuck in the wheel, and you should be good as gold.
Yeah.
Then once you've found the catch with your fingers, then you can use the wheel gun to then go over the top and make sure that they are tight enough. Next, you need to let the car down. Again, make sure you're not going too fast and making sure that the wheel touches down nice and carefully. We found that this process was much easier taking the tyres off and taking them to the garage to get them changed rather than drive the car to the garage to make sure that it was nice and safe. The last thing that we're going to do is complete the same process on the other side. Lift the car up, take the spare tyre off, put the new tyre on and lower it back down again.
Oh, and there we have it.